Congratulations, you have your OnePlus 11, but now you need a case. Well, you're in luck because today I'll be showing you some cases for the OnePlus 11. Let's begin. And welcome back, I'm Emmanuel, this is Geekception, and why do you even need a case for a OnePlus 11? And I think the first reason that comes to my mind, which is the ultimate reason, is the fact that this phone is very slippery, and because of the curved edges it's got right here, it means that it is very susceptible to drops, and if you drop this phone, well, kiss your money goodbye, because these curved displays are not easy to repair. So make sure you don't go anywhere because I have a few case options for you to consider to protect your OnePlus 11. Now the first one is the official OnePlus 11 case. It is officially known as the aramid fiber bumper case, and I have it in black here. And I'm putting it on the phone. It protects the phone, especially the camera bump, and also there is enough space for you to still, use your toggles on the side right there. It also has openings for all of your ports, such as the microphone on the top, your buttons on the left, and on the bottom for your USB Type-C port. Now, one of the reasons I like this case is because it's very slim. It does not add to the size or weight of your OnePlus 11. And I'll be honest, I don't know how much these cost since they're the official case, and I just got them here in Malaysia since they just launched this phone yesterday here. But I have more affordable options in case this one ends up being super expensive when the price eventually does come out. I got you. Now I have this Ioria case. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ioria cases here. Now they're basically the same thing, but they're just two variations. This one is green and this one is this bamboo color. It doesn't feel like bamboo. It still feels like this, which is leather. But these are the two options I have, and they're super cheap. Now I got them from Shopee, which is like our own, Amazon here in Southeast Asia. But I'm sure you can also get this on AliExpress, and it's like really, really cheap. I think I got this for like $9 each, which when you convert that into US dollars is about like what, $2, $1. So yeah, really, really cheap case. And just like the official case, they provide all of the, protection that you will need, such as, camera cover, such as access to your notification slider on the side there, access to all of your ports, and yeah, they just look very, very stylish. So this is also another one to consider. So yeah, if you're on the lookout to protect your OnePlus 11 and you were wondering what cases and what options you have, these are the ones that I currently have right now that I would recommend, and I'm sure there are many more cases out there. So yeah, let me know, are you a fan of protecting your phone? Do you use cases, or do you just like to raw dog it and just use your phone just as it is? Let me know in the comment section down there below. And that has pretty much been it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Emmanuel. This is Geekception, as I've said, and I really appreciate you watching. And don't forget to take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to remain awesome. Bye.